Greetings, this is Lester from the 800 Credit Family. I want to speak on the subject of lifestyle changes. A lot of us, we want to have good credit or we want to have excellent credit, but we're not willing to do some of the changes that we have to do to get those good credit. Um, Lifestyle changes is hard for a lot of people. It is something that you have to do if you want to do better. A lot of times we don't even realize that we are doing things that negatively impact us, such as spending an excess amount of money that we really don't have to spend. You cannot live on credit if you do not know how to manage credit. So the simple things that you can do, like if you're using your credit card and you're buying lunch every week or every day through the week, just cutting back on one or two purchases can actually impact your credit score and eventually will impact your credit profile. So the biggest thing that I preach is lifestyle changes. And at the 800 Credit Family, our motto is getting good credit is easy, changing your lifestyle to get good credit is hard. So, with that said, um, you got to change your habits in order for you to improve on everything else. Your day to day lifestyle is basically somewhat of a habit. You get up every morning, you do this, you go to sleep, you do that. In between, you go to work or you do this and you do that. And sometimes we have to live within our means and not get out of our means. That is, if you have $100, if you make $100 that week, you can't spend $80. You can't do that. You have to save something and you have to reduce something, your expenditures. So the biggest thing, like I said, lifestyle changes. If you're not willing to change your lifestyle, you're more likely going to keep either a poor credit or a fair credit. Not too many people will maintain a good and excellent credit if they do not change something in their lifestyle to improve that. So, just a quick few minutes talking about lifestyle changes, and you have a good day.